Hello there. So this is a quick one on when's the right time to overtake and when should you sit back. So we're in traffic at the moment and we're approaching a roundabout on a dual carriageway, looking for the safe gap to get out. My student's just slowing down for the car coming from the right, and then we're going to start building our speed up. Excellent, pulling off really nice, and then building our speed up. Now what's interesting is in the next few seconds I'll show you what's happening behind us. So we're building our speed up coming off the roundabout, nothing wrong with that. The white van behind us, the white transit van, rushed onto the roundabout, and then they had to slow down, and that's fine. You know, a bit crazy we're doing that, but I won't do that. And now they're building a speed up, and we are building our speed up because we're accelerating. They go in the right lane to overtake us, which is not wrong, we're doing that, right lane for overtaking. But what is surprising is the next few seconds that white transit van decides to cut in, indicate, and then put the brakes on, slow down. Pointless overtaking, wait a few seconds, and then it's not dangerous. What would that van done if we are accelerating even harder? They won't even get back in, probably an accident. So if you're going to overtake someone, make sure you don't cut them in, and don't overtake someone if you're actually going to do a left turn, because you're going to force that car to slow down or possibly have an accident. So make sure it's a learning thing watching this video, and safe driving everybody.